How to mirror images in Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can mirror an image in Canva. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right into it. First step. Open up a web browser and head over to your Canva. You can search for canva.com and you should be on their website. After you're there, you can then start by creating a project. If you're already on a project, you can open that up as well. So let me just go to the homepage of Canva for now. And from the Recents tab, you should find your projects that you're working on. From there, you can open any one up. I'll just create a new one. Tap on create right here. And after you do that, you can select what you want. So I'll just open up a whiteboard and it should redirect me there. After you're on your Canvas design section, all you have to do is upload an image. To upload an image, you should find the uploads option on the left hand side right here. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you'll then need to upload an image. If you don't have your images right here, tap on upload files and then import it. Now, all you have to do is select the image that you want to add and it will get added. After it gets added, you can see multiple options. Now on the top here, you'll find different editing options. You'll find another one called flip. Tap on flip and you can flip it horizontally to mirror it. So you can see. Now if you don't see it clearly on this image, let me show you another one. So this one right here, let me put it on top of this. And if I tap on the flip button and tap on flip horizontally, it should get mirrored. And there you can see that's how you mirror an image. You can also flip it vertically, but that's not really mirroring it. And yeah, that's all for today's video. That's how you mirror an image in Canva. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye-bye. Take care.